Hello there. In this short video, I'll try to explain the concept of circular economy using this causal loop diagram. There is a transition from the traditional linear economy, which focuses on taking a material or raw material and making a product and then disposing it at the end of its life cycle, to a circular economy, which focuses on reusing, remanufacturing, and recycling. So in this video, I use this causal loop diagram and show you the circular economy activities that are used to keep products in the chain or in the economy as long as possible. To simplify the whole loop, I'll break it into smaller loops for the explanation purpose. The first loop focuses on the direct reuse of products. So a used product will be collected from the population or from the consumers. Then it will be sorted and treated, which is cleansed and disinfected, and it will be made to join the secondary market as a used product after a very minor repair. So just this is the first stage of the direct reuse of products in the circular economy activity. On the second stage, if this used product, after collection and sorting and treating the used product, if it can't join the secondary market as a direct reused product, then it will go through some manufacturing processes. Some of its components will be replaced or remanufactured. So after this remanufacturing process, it will be made to join the secondary market. So it focuses on transforming products into usable states by cleaning, disinfecting, and replacing some of its components after a major repair. The third stage focuses on recovering components or reusing components. So on the component reuse stage, this used product, after collection, sorting, and treatment, if it can't join the direct reuse route, or if it cannot be remanufactured, so the next step will be the disassembling the equipment or the product so that we can recover reusable components. These recovered reusable components will be repaired, cleaned, and it will join the components inventory to support the remanufacturing process. So on the third stage, if we can't reuse the product or you reuse it again after a major repair, then we will look for a component to be recovered from that product. On the fourth stage, if the used product, after collection and sorting and treating and disassembling, if we can't recover reusable components, then the second stage will be taking the non-reusable components, so that looking for recoverable materials, raw materials. Are there any raw materials from these components to be used for the manufacturing of components? Then that will be the fourth stage. On the fourth stage, we will look for raw material to be recovered from that product. If there is no raw product to be recovered, then we will follow a controlled disposal path so that we don't contaminate the environment. So, because like uncollected products can be disposed in uncontrolled way to affect the environment or to cause contamination. So these are the key steps in the circular economy activity, either to reuse the product as it is with a minor repair, or remanufacture it by replacing some of its components. If that is not the case, we can focus on disassembling and recovering some of the components. If that is not possible, we'll look for recoverable raw materials so that we can use it for component manufacturing. Otherwise, we will dispose it in a controlled way so that we can minimize the pollution. So that's the focus of the circular economy, which is to minimize the environmental pollution at the same time trying to keep products in the market or in the chain or in the economy as long as possible.